Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy burritos at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need large flour tortillas, about 10 inches in diameter, cooked rice, seasoned beans, and your choice of protein like ground beef or shredded chicken. Don't forget your favorite toppings such as cheese, salsa, and sour cream. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get those fillings ready. If you're using ground meat, brown it in a pan and drain any excess fat. For chicken, shred it after cooking. Warm your beans on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a pinch of cumin or chili powder for extra flavor. Cook your rice according to package directions, aiming for a light and fluffy texture that won't make your burrito soggy. Time to assemble your masterpiece. Lay a warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Start with a thin layer of rice and then beans in the center, leaving about 1.5 inches clear around the edges. Next, add your protein and any other toppings like cheese or salsa. Fold in the two opposite sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it up from the bottom, tucking in the fillings as you go. The best part about homemade burritos is customizing them. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses, a variety of vegetables, or even a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. You can enjoy your burrito right away, or wrap it tightly in foil for a quick meal later. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make burrito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.